Today, 4th May 2020, class 9th, subject Science Physics, chapter 4. We already taught the Newton's first law of motion. Now we start. Write second law of motion. Prove F equal ma. Newton's second law of motion we obtain F equal ma. F is a vector quantity, ma is also. The arrow represents vector quantity. We obtain F equal ma is a external force. ये बाहरी फोर्स है. Is the product of mass and acceleration of the body. मास और एक्सीलरेशन का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो फोर्स, दैट इज फोर्स. प्रूविंग द F equal ma, this is the proof of ma in number first. The force capital F applied on a given mass small m is directly proportional to the according acceleration produced product in it. For this point, capital F is directly proportional A. Equation number first. Second point, the produce a define acceleration in a body. The force capital F applied on the body is directly proportional to its mass small m, that is F is directly proportional to m. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, F proportional m into capital A. F equal kma. Here k is the constant. By putting F equal 1, m equal 1, that is by equation A equal 1, putting the value of F m A in equation number 3. 1 equal k into m. 1 है, A equal 1, therefore k equal 1. Putting the value of k in equation number 3, F equal 1 into ma, F equal ma. It is Newton's second law of motion. यही न्यूटन का गति विषयक द्वितीय नियम है. Unit of force in CGS system, dyne. In MK system, kilogram meter per second or Newton. The definition of 1 Newton. 1 Newton is the force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg. Thus 1 Newton equal 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. 1 kg इक्वल होता है 10 पावर 3 ग्राम इंटू 10 की पावर 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. 1 न्यूटन इक्वल 1 kg इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर इक्वल 1 kg वैल्यू 10 की पावर 3 ग्राम इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर 100 और 10 पावर 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. Therefore 1 Newton equal 10 power 5 dyne. Now we explain what is momentum. Momentum, according this formula, momentum P is equal the product of mass and velocity is called momentum P. The product of mass m and velocity b is called momentum of a body, that is momentum equal P equal mass m into velocity v, P equal mv. Unit of momentum, unit of m kg into v meter per second. It is the product of mass m and velocity b is called momentum of a body, that is momentum equal P equal mass m into velocity v, P equal mv. Unit of momentum, unit of m kg into v meter per second. It is a vector quantity. It is direction, its direction, इसका जो डायरेक्शन है वो according the direction of velocity. It is direction in same as the direction of velocity. Now we explain some numericals on the taught formulas. The question 1, calculate the acceleration produced. Calculate the acceleration produced in a body of 50 gram by applying a force 1 Newton. Solution है इसका. Capital M equal 50 gram, F equal 1 Newton, small capital N means Newton, comma A equal sign of interrogation. By the second Newton's law of motion, F equal ma, putting the value of F and M, we obtained 1n equal 50 g into A, 1n equal 50 over 1000 kg into A. Now the putting the value and calculate, then we find capital A, small a equal 20 meter per second square. S is represents second. S is represents second. Numerical number 2, a force of 4 kg weight produced an acceleration of 4 meter per second square in a body mass m. Find the value of mass. Is capital small g equal 9.8 meter per second square. Given दिया हुआ है force equal 4 kg weight equal 4 into 9.8 Newton. Kg weight is converted here. Kg weight is converted into Newton and A equal 4 meter per second square. We know that capital F equal ma. This is the formula. Second Second, Newton's law of motion. Value of F 4 into 9.8 equal m into a. Putting the value of F and a, the value of m equal 9.8 kg. Numerical number third. If above formulas and above question you understood, then the question number 3 is also solved. Question number 4. A force of acting on 2 kg body produces an acceleration of 2.5 meter per second square. Another force F2 acting on a body which weight 5 kg produces an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Find the ratio capital F1 and F2. Solve. Given. According to the first condition of the motion, according to the first condition of the question, small m equal m1 equal 2 kg, a1 equal 2.5 meter per second square. We know that F equal ma. F equal ma. This is the Newton's second law of motion. By the first condition, F putting the value of F1 equal 2 into 2.5. This is the equation number first. By the second condition of the question, F2 equal 5 into 2, equation number 2. Equation number 1 is divided by the 2 equation number 2. F1 over F2 equal 2 into 2.5 over 5 into 2. Cancel out 2 by 2, 5 and 2.5. 2.5 is the 1, 5 is the 2. F1 ratio F2 equal 1 ratio 2. This is the important question for this chapter. According to the numericals, there are 2 questions are given to solve. Number first, what is the acceleration produced by a force of 12 Newton exerted on an object of mass 3 kg? Question number 2, calculate the force which may produce a velocity of 8 meter per second in 0.44 second in a ball of mass 2.0 kg of at rest. Now with this, next, on the basis of Newton's second law of motion, prove that delta P over delta T equal delta F. Proving here, suppose the mass of a body is m and its velocity is v1. When a force capital F is applied on the body, its velocity is time interval delta t because v2. Therefore, initial moment of the body P equal mb, P1 equal mb1. The moment of after time interval delta t, P2 equal mb2. Here become b2 is greater than b1. Change in momentum in the interval delta t, delta p equal p2 minus p1, delta p equal, putting the value of pt mb2 B1, P1 and B1. Here the M is common. Formula delta P equal M bracket B2 minus B1. Delta P equal M delta B, because B2 minus B1 is delta T. Delta P equal M delta B divided both sides this equation by delta T. Delta P over delta T equal M into delta B over delta T. Equation number first. Delta P over delta T equal MA, because delta B over delta T is equal to acceleration A according the definition of acceleration. So delta P over delta T equal M into A. Equation number 2. According to Newton's second law of motion, F equal ma. Ma is equal to F. Ma is equal to F. So in place of ma, the putting the value of ma, capital F. Therefore delta P over delta T equal delta P over delta T equal a capital F. So the rate of change of momentum of a body is equal to external force applied or acting on the body, and change in momentum takes place in the direction of force. It is a force of Newton's second law. If any problem, contact mobile number 8181852864. That's all.